Tech Talk.
Hi everyone, welcome to this new Tech Talk. Today we're answering the question, what differentiates a 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis CNC. So I have a machine with me to give you the examples. So the first 3 axes that you see on every machines are the basic ones. So you have the X-axis, which is the length of the machine. So if you're ordering a machine that is 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters long, or even 10 meters if you want to, that's going to be the maximum length of working space that you're going to have on your machine. If you look at here, you have this can create a hole if you have longer parts than the machine. It's something that most CNCs are going to have as an option to have longer parts, but the meters of the machine that you buy is going to be the working area of your machine. So that's the X. The Y-axis is how deep you can work your parts with the depth of the machine itself. So if you have a hole to be done on either parts of your profile, it's going to be the Y value that's going to be indicated. And then you're going to have the Z-axis, which is going to be the depth towards the bed of the machine, which is going to give you, again, the wall thickness, if you want to go through a wall or go halfway through the wall, things like that, is going to be the Z-axis that you're going to be working. 4th axis is going to be the capacity of the head to be moving to the sides of the machine, or the bed itself sometimes has the capacity of tilting on both sides. So this is going to be a way to create a 4th axis on the machine. We do have some other machines that the bed tilt is pneumatic. We have some that is really manual, depending on how much you're going to be investing in your CNC. You have the notion also of simultaneous work. So in CNC world, you could have the 4th axis working at the same time as the tool is working on your part, but it's not really something that we see necessary in the window and door industry. The 5th axis, which is not on this machine, would be a saw blade that gives you the capacity of cutting your parts to length. It's something that we see in the curtain wall business more. But it's 2 very different budget to go from a 5-axis to a 4-axis. So the option that is in between would be having a 4-axis and a saw to cut to length your parts before putting them into the CNC itself. That pretty much covers the question on what's the difference between 3, 4, and 5-axis. If you have more questions, please feel free to send them to us. We're going to be more than happy to answer them in the next Tech Talk. Thank you.
Tech Talk.